Hey guys, this is Jen with the Traveling Millers. Wanted to get on here and let you know that we have a couple of announcements to make. One big one and one little one. So let's get on with it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning. It is 8:30 on November 17th. First thing is we want to say happy birthday, Austin. And also it's a big day for us. We have waited for this day since what?
Middle of September.
Middle of September.
Yeah.
And so we're on the road heading north. Not to Alaska this time, but we're excited, can't wait, and so we're gonna, I don't know, I guess we'll show you when we get there. Stay tuned. We have a couple announcements to make, one big one and one little one, and we are gonna go ahead and do the first one, the little one. And the little announcement is we got a puppy. Her name is Rainy Brooke, and she's 5 months old, and she is a mini poodle, or I'm sorry, a mini golden doodle. And so we got her when we got back from Alaska. Actually, the day we got back from Alaska, our son brought her over, and we just love her to death. So she is our new travel buddy, along with Jessie. We still have Jessie, and her and Jessie love each other to death. Got anything to say?
She's a handful. And now, on to the big announcement. Our new RV. The Coachman Encore 325 SS that we purchased at the Hershey RV show. We didn't get it until yesterday, November 17th. Drove it home last night. Really excited about it. So far, happy with General RV, with everything they did. The salesman, Chris, did a great job. Greg did a great job explaining everything. So we're excited.
We'll do a tour of the inside when we are, you know, in it and all set up and ready to go.
Yeah, right now it's just come from factory. I think we got a bottle of water and one roll of toilet paper. That's all we got in there.
Yeah, so we are so excited. We sold the Class C. Yep. We sold that the week we got home.
Yes.
The week we got home from Alaska, we sold the RV, the Class C.
And that Class C is going back to Alaska next year, which is kind of cool.
We sold it to some friends of ours right down the road, and so we see it when we go, you know, down the road. We can see it in their driveway, and yeah, they're going to take it to Alaska in a couple years. So
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, next year. Yeah. So yeah, we are excited. We bought this one, like he said, Hershey RV. We got home August 19th from Alaska. Sold the Class C that week. Went to the Hershey RV show just to look. We had no plans on buying. And that was September 13th, 14th, 15th. That was that weekend. And ended up buying this one. So within a month of being home, we sold our old one and bought a new one.
Yep.
So, but yeah, we will give you a tour when we're all set up. But we are super excited for our new puppy to go traveling with us. And
somewhat excited. Yeah.
I'm excited. And the new RV, we get to start all new adventures. We've been to all 50 states in the other one, and now we get to start over.
Yeah, we're at one. We're at number one.
Yep. So hope you guys stick around with us while we're starting our new adventure. All right, we are picking him. We are picking him up.
Yeah.
We haven't revealed the name yet. We will later, but yeah, we're picking up this baby.
All right, first time going in since we have taken ownership.
All right. Best part.
What do you think?
I like it.
You excited?
I am. I'm ready to hook this bad boy up and see what we got.
All right, nice rainy travel day. Our
Yeah.
first travel day in it, and it's raining, of course.
Yeah. Pretty. Anxious to drive it. We haven't driven. We've driven this motor before in a different coach, but we haven't driven this particular unit.
Yeah.
So excited about it.
All right, ready to hit the road?
Let's do it.
All right.